Hello, good evening. My name is Samuel Olorunda. I'm the facilitator for the graphics class, 3 days class starting tonight. The class, we had a live session, and for doing this video for those that couldn't meet up so that they can go with the flow. So this is going to be a short, actionable recap of what we've done. So please, tomorrow night by 7 p.m. don't miss the class. Set your alarm and try to be live with us, because we have so many things to cover and the class is practical. So firstly, you need to download Canva from Play Store. Then secondly, you need to download Google Meet. Thirdly, you need to have CapCut. Canva, we are going to be using it for our graphics design. Google Meet is the video conferencing app, and the CapCut is we are going to be using that to edit our videos. So do that quickly. When you are done with Canva, sign up using your Gmail. When you log in, click on personal or business and you will come into the interface. So get ready to roll. So quickly, let me rush down to the table of contents. Canva is an app that you can use to create design on your phone, because when it comes to graphics, we have offline design, we have online design. Canva purely works on the internet, and the app is on the Play Store, it's on the iOS store. You can access it on your Google Chrome. You can also access it on your PC. It has a standalone app on PC, and you can also run it on your PC on the Chrome. You can launch it, but you need internet. So it's very interactive. It's the most popular, most interactive app when it comes to graphics and design. So that is on the online community. For those on the offline community, you have CorelDRAW, you have Photoshop, all those ones. So, but Canva works on both mobile and PC, and it can also work on your browser. If you are having challenges running the app is not coming up, or maybe your phone there is no space, you can just go to Google Chrome. Google Chrome is better. Go to canva.com, sign up or log in with your account, and you are good to go. You'll be able to do many things. Everything you can do on the app, you can do it on the Chrome, and it's interactive. So going quickly without taking time, we'll talk about introduction to Canva, looking at design basics. You need to understand color theory, and that took us to the Canva color wheel. How do you get to Canva color wheel? You come to your Chrome. When you get to Chrome, type Canva color wheel. That's it. Click on it and select the first option there. This is the Canva color wheel. What is the color wheel? Color wheel is a tool that helps you to be able to match colors. It's not every one of us that understand color. So with this color wheel, you can blend colors. When you say, oh, I need a color purple, what color can I mix with color purple that will bring out my design? So Canva helps you to manage color. You can bring in 2 colors. You can bring in 3 colors. You can see is a color. This color purple, this like a pink, and this like blue, a deep blue or navy blue. So these 3 color now, you can combine it in your designs, because what brings out the beauty of your design is you being able to bring in color together. And take note that each color has a code. You can see every color has a code, so if you look at the color and you want to work around it, you can pick those color and take it to your Canva. You can click on this now to change, click on the code, and when you go into your Canva, let's go into Canva, you can bring in that color into Canva for your designs. So quickly we are going to be creating a logo. So let me stop this video here so that it's 5 minutes.